Hey friends, my name is Catherine and I'm going to be showing you a variant on the origami wallet I showed you the other day. It is very similar, so we're going to go through this kind of quickly. The main difference is it's got more pockets than the last one did, and a lot of people like a lot of pockets, so this should suit more people, hopefully. My heart hopes so. We're going to start off with a 12 by 9 paper like we did last time. You can do this with an 8.5 by 11 though, that works just as well. And just as last time, we are going to start with our pattern facing up. Now, same thing as before, we're going to fold it in half and crease that down really just very well. And then open it back up and flip it over so that our pattern side is facing down, and fold our 1/2 of our section in so that it meets that center crease. All right, still with me so far, same as last time. Everything's rolling along like we expect it to. But instead of what we did last time where we brought this end over, what we're going to do is actually flip it over this way so that you've got this section that we just folded in half tucked underneath our unfolded half. So we've got it like that. Now what we are going to do is take that center crease that we folded down really well and just bring it toward our unfolded side by, half an inch, maybe, 1/4 of an inch, something like that. Just a tiny little bit, just enough. And we want to try and make sure that we keep it straight from one side to the other. That's going to be very important as we work along, so just try and make it as straight as possible. Now, here comes the tricky part. We're going to bring this edge up and we're going to make a crease. So if this flips all the way over, we are going to make a crease where this previous crease was, where the bottommost crease hits. So we're going to do that and right as close as I can, just very gently nudge that edge there and nudge that one down so that it meets there, and make sure that I keep the sides even with each other, and then crease it down along the bottom. So you may see where we're going with this. We've got that crease, we have this, we're going to bring it back over again. We're taking it into an accordion fold, but we're going to crease it where this previous center crease was, the one that we slid away from. So we will just set our edge of our paper there, and set the edge of our paper there, and crease it down all along. Okay, and then bring our bottom edge up again. Now, if we have eyeballed it close enough, it should hopefully line up there. And now we have a choice to make. We can either open this back up and crease this into the inside, so that it gives us one further pocket a grade down, or we can leave it there and have 2 pockets at that height. That's what I think I'm going to do with this particular wallet, because once you get the pocket that short, it's really not good for much. And from here, it's the same thing that we've done before. We bring 1/2 over, and we flip the whole thing over and bring our edges in from one side to the other. Oh, that's the wrong direction because I'm a dummy. We don't flip it over. We bring it in there about 1/2 inch. Just kind of eyeball it. Doesn't have to be exactly 1/2 inch. It just has to be even, and same thing to the other side. Doesn't have to be exactly 1/2 inch, just has to be even and has to relatively match that side. Now, Same thing that we did before. We open up this first pocket and fold down our corner so that it comes along that side crease. Same thing with the other one. Open up this pocket, fold down our corner, and then what we do is bring our bottom edge up, and hopefully, if everything goes according to plan, actually, you know what? I was a fool. This one should be down here, maybe? And then this comes over, and that comes up. Nope, that's not right. I've forgotten how to do this. That one, maybe? And then this comes over, and that comes up and tucks, aha, into that pocket. That's where I'm going. There we go. See, I know what I'm doing. I just have to remember it. There we go. And then, actually, let's bring that one down and see if we can't do the same thing the previous way, because I might have just missed it the first time. Bring it up. Yeah, I just missed it the first time. Take it in. Into our pocket. Bring it up. Take it in. There we go. Perfection. Alright, and that is our wallet. Last thing we do is fold it in half. And bring our center out. And then we have another fun paper wallet, but this time, instead of 2 pockets on the inside, it has 1, 2, 3. So it's got an extra pocket. And if you fold these ledges less, so the smaller you bring this edge down and the more you fold back and forth your accordion piece, the more inner pockets you're going to give your paper. It's not infinite, and you can use like a wider paper to give yourself more pockets in that section, but for that you wouldn't want to fold it in half first. You'd want to measure out a section that was 4.5 inches, because this wallet ends up being not 4.5 inches. What am I thinking? 2.25 inches, because this wallet ends up being 2.25 inches tall. And it has the same secret pocket in the bottom, like the previous one did, only it's got 2 of them now. And one of them is a little bit shallower than the other one. So that's what I did today. Just came up with a little bit of a variation on that previous wallet that I showed you, and I wanted to share it with you. And if you liked it, let me know. And I will see you all another day. Remember to subscribe. Bye!